Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
We are very happy to see you today.
Today we have a powerful topic.
Yes, we talk about your job.
Jobs change our life every day.
Your job shows who you are.
Before we start, quick introduction.
Yes, let us introduce ourselves.
Hi, my name is Emma.
And my name is Alex.
We work and learn every day.
And we love sharing real experiences.
Stay with us till the end.
This episode will really help you.
Let me ask you something.
Yes, ask a good question.
Do you like your job now?
Or are you just surviving?
Many people work without passion.
They wake up tired every morning.
They say, I hate Mondays.
That is a big warning sign.
Your job is part of life.
Not just money, but meaning.
Let us start with basics.
What does job really mean?
A job is your daily responsibility.
It is how you add value.
Some jobs use hands.
Some jobs use the mind.
Some jobs use both together.
Every job is important.
When people talk about jobs,
They often feel nervous,
especially in interviews,
or when meeting new people.
what do you do?
Simple question, big stress.
Today we fix this problem.
Step by step, very clearly.
First, know your job well.
Not just title, but tasks.
For example, I am a designer.
But what kind of designer?
I create logos and visuals.
I solve visual problems for clients.
When you talk about your job,
Do not say one word only.
explain what you really do.
Use simple, clear language.
Let us give a simple formula.
This formula is very useful.
I work as a.
Usually,
I help people to.
3 parts, very powerful.
Example time, very simple.
Yes, real example helps learning.
I work as a teacher.
I usually teach English students.
I help them speak confidently.
Clear, short, professional.
Now let's talk feelings.
Feelings make speech interesting.
Do you enjoy your job?
Or do you feel bored?
It's okay to be honest.
But stay positive always.
Instead of, I hate my job.
Say, I'm learning new skills.
Instead of, it's stressful.
Say, it's challenging sometimes.
Language changes perception.
People listen more carefully.
Positive words open doors.
Close words close them fast.
Let's talk about first jobs.
Everyone starts somewhere small.
My first job was simple,
I made many mistakes.
but I learned discipline.
I learned responsibility too.
Your first job teaches basics.
Time, teamwork, communication.
Money is not main lesson.
Skills are more important.
Now let's talk daily routine.
This is a common interview topic.
What does your workday look like?
Very popular question.
Start with morning activities.
Then main tasks.
End with results or goals.
Simple structure works best.
Example again, very easy.
Yes, keep it practical.
I start work at 9.
I check emails and tasks.
Then I work on projects.
I finish around 6.
Add one personal detail.
This makes it human.
I enjoy teamwork meetings.
Or I like problem solving.
Now salary topic.
This topic feels uncomfortable.
You don't need numbers.
Focus on growth instead.
Say, it's enough for now.
Or I'm growing professionally.
Let's talk about job problems.
Every job has difficulties.
Do not complain too much.
Show learning attitude.
It's hard sometimes.
But I learn every day.
This shows maturity.
Employers like this mindset.
Now future plans.
Very important topic.
Where do you see yourself?
People ask this often.
Answer with direction, not pressure.
Show vision, not fear.
I want to improve my skills.
I want more responsibility.
You don't need big dreams.
Just clear next steps.
Let's talk about job change.
Many people think about it.
Changing job is normal today.
It's not failure.
It's growth and choice.
When explained correctly.
Say, I wanted new challenges.
Or I wanted to grow.
Never blame old company.
Stay respectful always.
Now, English speaking tip.
Very important for listeners.
Do not memorize big texts.
Learn small patterns instead.
Practice speaking daily.
Even 5 minutes helps.
Record your voice.
Listen and improve.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Confidence comes with practice.
Let's do a mini practice.
Yes, listen and repeat later.
I work as a developer.
I build useful applications.
I like solving problems.
Simple and strong.
Jobs are part of identity.
But they don't define everything.
You are more than your job.
Remember this always.
Remember this always, very important truth.
Your job is one life area.
You have dreams outside work.
You have values and passions.
Some people forget this balance.
They become only their job.
When work goes wrong,
Their whole life feels broken.
that's very dangerous.
And very common today.
Let's talk about job pressure.
Modern life creates huge pressure.
People compare salaries constantly.
They compare titles and positions.
Social media makes it worse.
Everyone looks successful online.
But reality is very different.
Many people struggle silently.
When you talk about your job, do not compare yourself.
Your path is unique.
Your timing is different.
Success has many forms.
Money is only one part.
Some people choose stable jobs.
Some choose risky paths.
Both choices are valid.
There is no single right way.
Let us discuss job satisfaction.
This topic matters a lot,
Satisfaction comes from meaning.
not only from salary.
Feeling useful matters deeply.
Helping others brings motivation.
Ask yourself this question.
Very honest question. What do I enjoy doing?
What problems can I solve?
These answers guide careers.
Not just job titles alone.
Many people choose wrong jobs.
Because of fear or pressure.
Family expectations matter too.
Society pushes certain careers.
Doctor, engineer, lawyer examples.
Respectable, but not for everyone.
Choosing wrong job drains energy.
Slowly, day by day.
You feel tired constantly.
Even after good sleep.
That tiredness is emotional.
Not just physical exhaustion.
Listening to yourself helps.
Awareness is first step.
Let's talk about growth.
Growth keeps jobs interesting.
Learning new skills matters.
Skills give confidence and freedom.
When you stop learning,
You start feeling stuck.
stuck feeling creates frustration.
Frustration leads to burnout.
So always improve something.
Even very small improvements.
Read one article daily.
Watch one educational video.
Small steps change careers.
Consistency beats motivation.
Motivation comes and goes.
Habits stay longer.
Let's talk job confidence.
Confidence affects performance strongly.
Confident people speak clearly.
They share ideas freely.
Confidence is not arrogance.
It's self-trust.
Trust grows from experience.
Experience comes from practice.
Do not wait for perfection.
Start before feeling ready.
Everyone starts unprepared.
Experts were beginners once.
Let's discuss job mistakes.
Mistakes teach powerful lessons
Mistakes show weak areas.
and guide improvement.
Hiding mistakes is harmful.
Learning from mistakes is smart.
Good workplaces support learning.
Bad ones punish errors.
Choose learning environments.
Not just high salaries.
Now let's talk balance.
Work and life balance.
Working non-stop reduces quality.
Rest improves performance.
Breaks are productive.
Rest is not laziness.
Healthy workers think better.
They make better decisions.
If job controls everything,
Life becomes very narrow.
protect personal time.
Protect mental health.
Let's talk future again.
Future planning reduces stress.
Short goals work best.
1 year, not 10.
Ask simple future questions.
What skill next?
What role interests me?
What can I improve?
Answers change over time.
That is completely normal.
Changing mind is growth.
Not failure.
Let us give final advice.
Very important advice now.
Talk about your job calmly.
With clarity and honesty.
Do not exaggerate.
Do not minimize yourself.
Speak with respect.
Respect yourself first.
Your job is a chapter.
not the whole book.
Final message for today.
Very important message.
Talk about your job proudly.
Even if you are learning,
Every expert was once a beginner.
keep improving step by step.
Thank you for listening today.
We really appreciate your time.
Subscribe for more useful talks.
And see you next episode.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See